Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you guys how I use the Monat Air Dry Styling Cream, and I have been living for this. When it's summertime, it is so hot out, the last thing you want to do is blow dry your hair. It's super annoying, and with back to school coming up, I'm sure the last thing you want to do is spend your precious morning moments doing your hair. So what's really cool about this is that you can basically do it the night before and wake up with tousled like beach waves or light, beautiful, like bouncy waves. This is just going to soften and smooth your hair, and it's just going to make you live your best life. So I cannot wait to show you guys this. I have been doing it all summer long, and let me tell you, I've gotten so many compliments. People are like, I never knew you had curly hair. Well, here's the problem. I do have curly hair, but I could never find a product that didn't make my hair look A, frizzy, B, weighed down, because I have a very thin hair. So any type of product I would put in it, it would just weigh it down, and then it would just, I would look like Elvira, like Elvira vibes, where it would just hang in my face. So I just couldn't do it. And then I found this product, and it literally gave me life. It is my absolute favorite. It makes my hair so smooth. It doesn't give me poodle vibes. It makes my hair just so wavy, so nice. And literally I do it the night before, and I wake up and literally I just run my hands through it, take like a little touch up. I'll just take my brush and kind of touch it up a little bit. If I want to throw an extra curl in there, I will. It just is amazing. So I'm going to show you what I do. So I just got out of the shower. So my hair is wet. So my hair is pretty wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run a little brush through it, and this is like a detangler brush, and I'm going to start with my ends brushing it. Then I always work my way up to the top just to be as easy on my hair as possible. Nothing to it but to do it. So that is what's happening, and honestly I feel like my hair is so much silkier and smoother when I don't blow dry it. When I blow dry my hair, you could see it like fries the crap out of my ends, and like I said, I have such fine hair that when it fries my ends, it's so obvious. Like, ooh, hate it. So I take this little guy, and what I love about this product is that even though it is very pricey, it is not concentrated with water, so you're not paying all this money for a bottle of air dry cream or shampoo or conditioner or whatever that's just weighed down with so much water. And not to mention, this has no sulfates and non-toxic, which is so much better for your hair. It's not going to strip your hair of the essential oils and the natural oils that it needs. So this is going to really just do a damage control, I believe. I literally take just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Maybe like that much. And then what you want to do is really just run it through your hand. And then this is where I'm going to start putting it through my hair. And again, I'm not going to start rubbing it because that's just going to break your ends. So I just start from the bottom, work my way up, and I'll do some scrunching motions. So as I have less on my hands is where I start to work it to the top. So while my hair is still wet is I take a little hair towel, and I'm going to roll this guy up like this. Put it over to this side. When I roll it and twist it, just do it away from my face. And then put this guy back here. Now you could go to bed like this with your hair just kind of like rolled, or to not get your pillow super wet and to really hold those curls into place and just get as much as you can from this product. I put it into a little towel. Let it air dry. So I'm gonna let this air dry. It doesn't take very long because I don't have a lot of hair, so for me, I can let it air dry right out of the shower and go out in an hour. I do this a lot at bedtime because I hate doing my hair, so it kind of just does it for me. And like I said, when it's all dried, it's basically done, and it's amazing. And then here is my finished look with it. Literally, this is what it looked like every single time that it air dries, and it is unbelievable. So it takes no time at all whatsoever. And even when I wake up in the morning, if I have to, what I'll just do is kind of just like grab whatever ends are looking a little. It smells really good. It's not overpowering, which is really nice. And yeah, I'm just really happy with it. And again, I think this is perfect with back to school coming up, to show you guys easy tricks to get ready in the morning and just to make your life so much simpler. So another way that you can wear your hair with it air dried, if you want to kind of sass up your look a little bit or play around with it, I just take 2 bobby pins and I twist it this way away from my face. Bring some hair down. Same thing on the other side, twist it away from your face. Pull up a little bit, kind of play with it, give it really that effortless look. Bring some hair down. I always do one part of my hair in the front. This is like my go-to if I want to go to dinner or something. Like if my husband surprised me like, hey, get everyone ready, we're going to dinner, and I have like 5 minutes to get myself ready. If I want to look a little less casual, a little more done, that's how I will usually wear my hair. It looks very feminine, very girly. If it's very, very hot, I'll do the same thing, and I'll take this hair that's back here. Make sure I have lots of pieces down because I love it looking effortless. Take a little hair tie. And I'll let my curls show that way. Another way you can really jazz it up is keep the top the same and just put a little braid in it. And if you're trying to grow your hair out, it's definitely important to not use shampoo on it every day. So if your hair starts to get a little bit greasy, this is like my go-to because I don't wash my hair every day. I need as much oil in it as possible because my hair is very dry. Pull it. And here is another one of my favorite hairstyles, which is so old school, but it will never go out of style. It is such a classic. You put your hair back, dig a little hole, flip it over, bring the pony through, pull it out a little bit so it looks a little air done. And that is one of my faves because it's like kind of up, kind of not. So I love that one. Okay, for my last one, this is my favorite. You guys see me do it all the time on Snapchat, Instagram, all the time. This is how my hair is usually. I just take a little bit above where my eyebrows are. Kind of like that. And what I'm gonna do is I like to do a little bit of a messy bun up top. Take a little bobby pin. Take another bobby pin, pull it, pull some hairs down, and I like to keep it nice and loose. Really look effortless. This is my absolute favorite. This is how I usually wear my hair 99% of the time, and if I don't, by the end of wherever I'm at, this ends up what my hair ends up looking like. And it makes my hair look so much thicker. When my hair's straight, it literally, like I said, weighs my hair down. It makes it look even thinner than it already is. When it air dries, it just leaves the life and the volume still in it. Then if I have to straighten it and, you know, really tame the frizz. So this just lets it have its own life, its own body. Doesn't damage my hair, which I said again, and I have to tell you guys, I have to steer clear of using a lot of products with heat on my hair because it will fry it instantly. So I'm super happy. If you guys have been swimming in chlorine a lot this summertime, or you've been out in the extreme heat in the sun, I would honestly recommend this product to start using, get into the swing of things, get your hair healthy again. So I love this product and I will link it below for you guys. So I love you guys and let me know what else you want to see.